hello everyone.
Hey guys,
Good afternoon. Nice to be back.
nice to be back on the streams. I have been missing out for 3 weeks straight, but I'm
Yeah.
back.
Time goes by real quick. Maybe I'm going to try and put the music again. Let's see what happens.
Go ahead. Let me check if there is someone in the chat already.
Okay, so that's
Hey
cool.
guys,
Oh, I still don't see. Is
the
it too loud, the
the
music?
probably a bit loud. Yeah, just if you can
What
lower. I
about?
think if the music builds a bit up, it will. It's cool, but looks like it's starting creating a build. So
Yeah, I
when
want.
the band crashes, probably will be too loud. Yeah, it's cool.
Oh,
For me,
yeah.
it's cool.
I still need to learn this stuff. Hey, hello Samuel. Welcome back. Nice to
Samuel
have you
never
here as
fails.
always. Samuel never misses one. Maybe I'll put it softer, even softer. What do you say?
No, it's cool. It's cool. Yeah, it was cool.
I like to have it because when there's the
Yeah.
moments of silence, then the music
Hmm.
comes in. But
Yes.
of course, it's not good when it's louder and and we cannot listen to each other and people, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you
That's
say?
the idea.
Let's go back into our project. Let's finish this.
Let's go back to our project and if you can do some kind of a quick recap, just to
Yeah,
make sure I'm on track
I will. I
with all
will.
the features. Let's go.
Okay, so
Sorry
for
for my share.
everyone,
My share is making some weird noises, so apologize
it's
for that.
okay. It's okay. Okay, so what's our project X? It still doesn't have a name, but it's kind of a social, not a social network, but a social um, communication
Yeah,
platform
exactly.
where a user just makes output. It's kind of a link tree meeting,
Yes.
meets Linktree or Card or Shorebuy, all that platforms where you can build uh, a custom links page or a small portfolio
Hmm.
landing page. Still don't have a great definition for everything, but let's call it a mini website builder. What do you say, Francisco? Is this okay?
Yes, exactly. And looks quite right since it has the capability to have a lot of to have some plugins to add content, but
Yeah.
does not have like Wix or some tools like that that allows you to arrange the content on top of images and all of that, all of those complicated things. So
Yeah.
it's just a simple tool to make simple websites.
Yeah. A
Two
minimal.
times simple, minimal.
Yeah.
Yes.
Minimal website builder. Okay, so how do we do this? You may ask. And so we can think of a page as a stack of layouts or of
Mm-hmm.
blocks. So we configure one or multiple pages by choosing blocks that are already available for you to use. And let's say this block will have a configuration where you input the title, description, the picture, all the labels,
Mm-hmm.
and you do this by selecting the layout and filling in a form. And with the information you input, we render
It
a
will.
page like you
Yes,
configured. Yeah.
exactly.
So it's just this. And we have pages that, as a user, me, if I am IJ Patricio user, I can make my pages. I always have a mandatory welcome page, and I can make extra pages or collections of pages. And collections are well suited when we want to have a series of pages all around the same topic. So let's say I want to make a portfolio of open source packages or books I want to talk about, or computers that I want to review, concerts I want to attend, something like that. We can make lots of pages under the same topic, and then we will present them by paginating them, and we can go inside each page that will be configured like the initial page that we've seen.
Like a block.
Yeah, kind of like a blog, but without all the
block, kind of like a block of.
Oh yeah, like a block. Yeah, correct. This kind of can be used like a blog, if we say like posts or articles, but it's out of the scope of this project to make a blog with SEO and discoverability and all that kinds of stuff. So it's just for a quick way of displaying our website, and that's it, without any kind of complicated stuff. It's more a proof of concept to use Nova. So we could play with it and use it outside of the admin panel, but also to build an application with it. So it's just for a fun concept. It's even taking more live streams than we thought in the beginning.
Yes.
But I guess it's always like that. But we're almost finishing, and it's been fun. So let's see where it goes. Okay. Yes. So the recap is terms of functionality. The Nova, the login, we will. So just when I log in and contact, and I can preview the page. I'm gonna say in a new tab. So right now I am previewing it because I am authenticated and I can see this page, even if it's not published. But the welcome page with a slug welcome, that it's in a published state, it will be available in my welcome page. So I am admin user, and I'm going to visit user profile in a new tab. So our domain /handle will be the welcome page, and any other, so like contact, will be under. So this is almost like having welcome, but it's the index, so we will not write it. But contact, if we write contact, I've put that slug, it works, because it's like this. It works. What else?
Got it.
It's how it works. And what else? We can check the routes for some guidance. I will change music again. Maybe I want to find, I always forget to find some good instrumental and calm music. I have to make a playlist. Okay, I hope it's not too loud.
It's cool.
Okay. So, we've seen, exactly, from here we can see everything. So, this is the page that we've been looking at, and if we don't define a page, the default will be the welcome slug, or the page that we give it here.
Exactly. So even if you send welcome, it will work.
Oh yeah, it will. So this is about the preview. So it will have authentication. I meant to point at this route, but it's the same thing. So we will use page slug that is optional. So yes, like Francisco was mentioning,
Yeah,
if we
if you
put
go ahead
welcome,
and
we'll see the
it
welcome
will
page.
do the same. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. So this is for the pages, but also we can list collections that we have, and this was in one of the last live streams, and I was alone, and for now we have showcase, so it's the user handle, showcase, and the slug for the collection, and after that the slug for the collection item. So if we come and check, we have collections, we have books. I don't know if we have, no we don't. So let's do it by hand. So admin user slash showcase and books. So right now we are paginating the books in the database that I just did a seeder, and we are paginating all the books that are the pages inside. So yeah.
Okay,
I
so
guess.
showcase will be the slug for collections.
Yeah.
Got it. I like
do you
it.
think you like it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's cool. So it would be like showcase, books, and then atomic habits, for example. And here I would be speaking about this book, yeah. So I think it's semantic, yeah. So me, I am showcasing books, and right now, atomic habits.
Yes. Got it.
Okay, so we have Az on the stream. Welcome, welcome. Hope you enjoy your stay. So, Francisco, do you want to grab keyboard and screen and continue from here?
So, sure thing. So let me check if I can work this time with the remote tool. We are using Tuple, and the problem is not Tuple. It's my computer. Normally, it's with the heat on my location. It was throttling the speed, and I could not work. And I only Patricio could do the writing
Yeah.
work. But hopefully today I can join in. So from what I just saw, for the handle, you did not implement the this page, just
That's true.
DD on this. So I think we maybe go on that. What do you think?
Yeah. Please make sure that we can click that the
Okay.
route is generated, because I think we still
Exactly.
didn't.
Let me check.
Oh, we can maybe in
Okay.
visit.
Yes. Let's see what is the. So this is the controller. So let me try to go. Okay, I can go. I can go in. So you are rendering what view? Let me see. Since I don't know the. Okay, collection height. And is this one?
Yeah, and I can see here we have the link.
Collection.
It's generating the
We
link.
have the link.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we can easily add there. So let me go ahead and go into resources, JS, pages, space, and okay.
Inside space is collection index. I meant to be the space like the user space, but it's a directory
Collection index.
space.
Yeah. Yes. Sorry. I thought I did click on there. So you have here a link. So let me check. It's the visit. Okay. So we have tailwind on this.
Yep.
Patricio. So let's just put like some kind of button. So let's say we can go with let's say gray 500, then padding X2, padding high 1, and
Seems cool.
text white,
And
for
when we
example,
hover, does it change the background color?
and yes, and for example, when we over, we can go ahead and background gray to 700, for example,
Yeah,
and let's
seems
see
cool.
how this looks. Okay, and maybe
Maybe
add
we
just
can
a bit
put
the
it round.
rounds. Yes,
Yeah, we're thinking the same.
yes. MD, for example, and okay, maybe just add the margin on top, just to margin off top too. Let's see if it looks
Okay, looking better.
looking better, but let's say we can go ahead and maybe 6, probably too much, or not doing this, not doing, but we can change this to block. Okay, block will not be the coolest in this case, so let's see what can we do. We can go ahead and add another div. So, sorry, I'm doing my shortcuts that I have on my
It's not
IDE.
working here.
But all cool. So we can go with another div, and on this we can go and add the margin here. So margin 3, I think it's good, and remove the block. And okay, this made exactly. So do here styling. Maybe we can go ahead and add to keep the same look. For example, by default, so we can go ahead and on the we do border top 0. I think is this one. Okay,
I didn't know
some
about this.
spacing.
This is
Okay, not here on the parent. Sorry,
yeah.
hitting my shortcuts. Let me go ahead and move this space. So,
What do you think to keep the things simple? Let's make the desktop view just like the mobile view, like inside a container in the center
yes, yeah, we can go. We can go. Let me
with a
just add
small
some more
container
margin.
and maybe that max W it can be just something smaller. That I'm not sure,
Sorry,
but
why
maybe
is
that
this not
in line 11
working?
that max W isn't it?
Sorry. Line 11, max W.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
that's too
7x.
large. Yeah,
Too
so maybe
large.
if we
We can
can
go
make it
for
smaller.
two or one to
Yeah,
keep
just
the.
like to keep it similar to the mobile, and that's it. We'll
Yes,
keep it simple and
we
to
can
the
go with
point.
just
Yeah.
Excel, I think, and then okay. What I don't like here is okay. It's adding this space. I can go ahead and increase that to 12 just to prove okay it is working. But we have this border. Okay, the border. Okay, it's making. Okay, so go ahead and we go with 3, and then on each item we go with a padding of 3. So it will be the correct
Oh yeah,
divide for each one.
much
And
better.
maybe on the first, same thing. First will not have a padding on top. So yeah, this can. It's probably it's padding not all around. Maybe padding on top just. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Okay, and maybe on the bottom, just to do some spacing on the nav. Let's go ahead and add plus a margin top of, let's say, 3. Okay, did not do the tricks, so why? Let's say with 6. Not doing the magic here. The
Which magic?
on this nav, maybe it's not blockable. Block this nav element. Not doing the spacing here. Can't find
I'm
good
trying to
reason.
log in the tablet so I could be in the live chat.
Okay, I will figure it out for sure. Let me just
If you can repeat, what magic are you looking for?
let me just change to a padding, just to see. Okay, it did work. I will not spend too much time looking for that. So yeah, on this nav, I basically ignore
Oh,
the space. Sorry, the pagination. The pagination. When you have a space I, it any margin you have. So this is the content to the content and navigation as to ignore your margin. Yeah, I had to figure it out all. So I think we can go with this. That's just some bull. Just they some kind of so cool on
yeah,
this.
I
So
think so. Yeah.
so what information do we let me see what information do we have for the collection item? Okay, so it goes straight to another endpoint, the show one. We can go and check where this is go. It goes to the action.
It's an invocable controller.
Okay, it's an invocable controller. I was checking that. Okay, so you can go on top and up. HTTP. Normally
Collection
I use
item,
the
show
command P.
controller. It's the second one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You cannot click command, right?
Command P does not work for me, so yeah.
Yeah.
I kind of look like a dumb guy.
Yeah.
Um,
No, you don't.
So, so okay, so when we are getting the, let me see the route, just to be sure. Okay, we are not get we have to get the collection slug and the collection item slug.
Yeah, we have to do the three. I think we can go from the query of the
Yes.
previous controller. Yeah.
Yes, I was thinking on that. So for the
Maybe we
collection
can
item
even
is this
put
one,
that. Yeah, we can put that inside a static
collection
method
item.
in a class to be reused. Maybe the
Exactly.
query.
Exactly, this one we will need for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, and all of that. Okay, so we need the collection item, and then we need to have the child.
But we just need the one with a given.
Yeah, exactly. With the given, let me just
With the
try
given
to
slug.
get the query, and then we can see if there is a refactor
Yeah, sure.
opportunity. So yeah,
Can
exactly.
find more
So if we go,
useful code, I think.
if we if we check here, so let me see. Okay, exactly.
The
You basically
parameters you will get
did-
3.
Yeah,
The sign
you will get
and
from the. So we'll get user is the handle,
Yeah, you
right?
can copy if you want. Yeah.
And you are using the model binding
You-
or not?
Yeah. You
For
can
the user,
you
yes.
can copy those two
Yeah,
and
Exactly.
and put
And
one more argument
yeah.
that it will be collection item slug.
exactly. So yeah, for the first one we are using the model binding, but for the other ones we can't because there is a lot of more logic to that.
Yeah. We would
So-
have to put it somewhere and it didn't make sense if I just
Collection
item slug.
slug.
You should
Okay,
import
okay.
user class.
Yes. So yeah, for importing that I need your
It's Alt Enter if you want. Import
alt
class.
enter on your
Here we
alt
go.
enter. Now for me it opens my my Alfred.
Yeah. All right. So,
okay.
collection item I'll also import, or you can.
Go ahead.
Okay, import.
Sorry.
And it's a model. Right. So it's good.
So good. So let's see.
What-
So what we need here, we need to make sure this collection is published, is available. First thing. Let me see. Okay, but we just need to have the
We just need one collection item, right?
Yeah, one collection item. So, and yeah, it has to be published.
The
The collection item. So, yeah, I would where years
slug equal.
equals to,
Slug,
and then just need the first one.
Yep. There should.
There should be
Yeah,
only one.
that's-
Yeah, because yes, if not, we can go with the latest and then first, but I don't think so.
Oh no, just the first will be just a safety measure.
Okay. So
But
let's
by
see
domain
what.
logic, there's only one. Yeah.
Let's just to debug quickly. Let's just see what we get here.
Yep.
Okay. So, yep. Let's go. Close this. Open. And
Yep, you got it.
that's right. We got it.
Attributes,
So
it has 9
yeah.
attributes. Oh yeah.
So in this case, we don't have any content.
It's just
Exactly.
empty. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just the title and the description. So what can we do here? Just to have
We
a
will
view with
edit
that.
one or do a
Yeah.
database seeder with some content because we are
Exactly.
almost finishing for the logic part,
Mhm.
and now we have to be doing the creation of the blocks and whatnot. So
Mhm.
maybe
Let's just create a view for that and go with the.
yeah,
So
it's a collection
okay, this is a
item.
collection.
Right?
Let's copy this and let's move this to here. Let's this in this case is it's the item. We can go and pass the item. It's the item, all the item. What do you think?
But maybe keep the title because it's for the page.
Okay, for the collection, exactly. That's good. That's a good thing. And here we can get just past the collection item itself. Okay, let's go. And with this, let's remove this line. Let me
Yeah,
just
we don't need a paginator. That's it. Yeah.
exactly.
So
Okay, and
you
the
also
collection
need
it
to.
will
Yeah, you
to
can
get the
find the
collection.
code. You can find the
Yeah.
code in the other one. We are not doing
I saw
don't
it
repeat
on
yourself,
top.
but that's okay. Yeah.
We kind of proving the concept, and then
Exactly.
if this goes to production, of course
It's
we
two
are.
controllers, all the
Yeah.
applications, so we don't care,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. Okay, so if we get the collection from the collection slug, and yeah, we are getting the user ID for exactly. Okay, is this should
Oh,
do
look,
the trick?
Dan.
Okay.
Dan has joined. Hello, Dan.
Yeah.
And
Hey
he's
then.
saying, "Olá, Malta. Are you Portuguese, or you know how to speak?" For
Okay,
sure you
so
do.
collection.
Welcome, welcome.
So, what do you want to name it? Collection item, just?
So the space, yeah, I think let's keep it for consistency.
Let me do the duplication here.
You want a copy paste? Oh, you're doing it
Yes.
already.
Go
Okay.
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Copy paste. Whoop. Sorry.
Not in there on the file.
Copy
Yes.
paste, and you want
And
we want
collection item.
You want item show or just item?
What do you
Yeah,
think?
collection.
Item show, yeah. To keep
More semantic.
okay. Yeah, exactly. So let's just change this collection item show to be the same as the controller. Exactly. So in here we are getting the item and the title. We can keep the title as it is.
So-
We don't need to go and do that spacing, but we can have this collection item. One collection item just to keep
Yeah,
it
we're just.
simple.
It will be very similar
Okay.
to the
Then we can
to the page
if-
to the page in the same folder, right?
Mhm.
Because it's just a page. Also,
Let's
maybe
just
do you want to
remove
check?
the nav? Let me just put this working and then we check
Oh, for sure.
if you agree
And
with this.
Dan is Brazilian, so
Yeah,
Oi,
yes.
Dan.
And he lives in Barcelona. I know
Oh,
Dan.
okay.
Dan helped
Okay,
me
cool.
with my presentation of Termwind. Yeah, he
Oh,
fixed
cool.
a lot of my slides. Yeah. And he was in Lisbon last week, but unfortunately I was not in there that week, so I could not meet him.
Oh,
Next time.
for sure.
Okay, so collection item is not the prop name, it's item, I think. I'm naming the things different from Patricio, but Okay, but that's it. Not that different. So let's go, and I think if we go with this, it probably should work. Let's go. Open. Okay,
Oh, we need to
collection
import
on
that
the
class.
controller. Okay, you
I
can
guess
go,
it's missing
and
an import.
I need your
If you-
help with your
Yeah, yeah.
magic.
Just put there the cursor. Oh, we need inertia to import.
And we need a collection that is more on top.
Also the collection. Can you go up?
I can go
Oh,
up.
okay, there we go.
And
Line 20.
Here.
And there we go. Illuminate support collection. There we go.
No, not eliminate support collection.
Oh, sorry. I'm so used to that one. Okay, so go up. Delete the
Sorry.
import.
Okay, got it.
Line 8.
Yeah, the
I will
collection.
delete.
Yeah.
I
Sorry.
will delete. I'm so used to the Illuminate
Yes,
support, but of course it's our model, the collection model
Exactly.
in the database. Yeah. Cool.
Okay,
So I
if
think
we
you're
save
good to
it,
go.
and if we refresh and click again, okay,
There we go.
it basically just works. So
Woohoo!
your
We
suggestion
have
was
all
to
the
check
views
the.
done.
Your suggestion is to check for the pages like the welcome.
Yeah, the space page. The
space
space
page. Yes,
page
exactly.
is exactly the same as a collection item or not?
Hmm. For the content part. Yes, I think so.
At least for the
So
content part.
yeah. So we can go ahead and add this one, and I will import for sure. I will import, and maybe let's remove this border. This makes no sense in here. This
At least for the content part, of course, because
Yeah.
maybe it has a title in the description to show first. Yeah. And
Yeah, I
Dan
think we
is
can
saying,
go-
can't wait for another visit to amazing Lisbon. Welcome, welcome.
nice.
Maybe
So
we can all
here,
grab a beer.
yeah, next time for sure. Okay, cool. And this should do the trick. And in here we need item content. Or you are doing some kind of magic with the content? No, all normals.
I think
What?
it has to be rendered, yeah. I mean, in the backend to render
we
the
can check.
correct JSON. Maybe you
We
can
can
check
check here on
the
the
page
page.
controller, yeah.
Yeah. And output, okay. Yes, we need this to be done probably,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So, okay.
Or maybe if you want
So-
to make a JSON resource, we can do that action when we are serializing the resource. But
Mhm.
maybe that's too much work. I don't know. Just
Let's
for a single
let's
use
probably
case.
just dump your the content, and then we can think
Yeah,
of some
let's go with that.
ideas to
Yeah.
refactor. So yeah, let me check how did you implement that. So
We need
I
to
guess
inject
uh,
the
to
action.
inject,
Yeah.
yeah. So we can go ahead and inject. Sorry for the noise. There is my
No,
nephew
it's okay.
around.
Oh, the music covers that. Okay, I will import.
So so yes,
Yep.
magic done. So I don't see. I see one more issue here on the bottom. So
And what do we
it's not the
do?
page.
Yeah. So
We need.
so
okay,
this
the item.
page is the. Is it the item or
But,
the
yeah.
item content? No, it's the item. Okay.
It's the
Maybe you
item,
can
but
check.
I need to check if it.
Yeah. You wanna control
Comment?
click?
Okay.
Yeah. It's the
So-
item.
Okay.
It's
it
something
will
that
work.
has the content property. Yeah.
Okay. Only it should work because the Nova resource, the content is exactly the same from the page.
it's-
Let's check
It's from the flexible content package. Yeah.
if we check the page model, we should have content attribute. Let's see. And okay, it's flexible. And I guess on the collection item,
It will
we
be the
should
same.
have the same.
If
Exactly.
you go
So,
up,
okay.
up. Yeah.
Yes, easier. Yeah. So if we for now probably it's empty, but we can do some kind of
But we
setting.
can go and edit. We can go and edit and
Exactly.
add
So we
it.
can.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Which
we can
item
go.
are you watching?
Yeah. That was I'm
Lord of the
checking. Let me
Rings
check.
A.
Yeah.
Maybe search for that.
Lord of
So
and boom,
something we have to check.
a non-column name. It's title, not name.
It's title. So
Hmm.
we can check the collection
For
item
that,
resource. So app, Nova,
yeah,
and
collection item resource.
collection item. Yeah. Up,
Okay,
up,
so
I think.
up.
There we go.
Okay, it's not
title.
it's not.
It's not there, but we can put it title. And it will be
Okay.
line 38, more or less. Yeah.
Okay, and here the same title. So
hopefully that's it.
can,
You delete the F
okay.
and it should work. Or, oh, yep. So it's number 30.
It's a two. It's number 30. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I
that's
think
right.
it's 30. Yeah. So you can
So
edit.
we can go ahead, edit.
Yeah,
And
you add a
then
layout,
add layout.
which is a block. Yeah.
And let's go with an YouTube video. Okay. Title. Some video.
Yep.
Some. Yeah. Cool. Just now. What is the just now? Is the
It was
data?
just a test, I think. Just
Okay.
doesn't matter.
Yes, YouTube.com.
We
Not sure.
Yeah, it was basically just a test because we will polish these components and these forms when we will be doing with the design, right?
Exactly. So if I go ahead and just invalid publish data. Any idea? I have to be on the future. I can remove it for now.
Any idea? Yeah, I think it
Probably
has to be
required. It's probably not required. Okay. We need to put some kind of time. So for this, we can jump on and
I don't
figure it out.
remember.
And, let's see what type is the publisher at.
So, yeah.
So index
So
query, not
down,
that.
down. Almost there.
Okay, daytime publisher at Nova requests.
Oh, so this we have to delete. You remember?
No, those rules. Okay, it's creating. Okay, it's not creating. I think, not sure.
Whoa.
Because we are updating, so it's probably a put.
Publish that. What did we want to do here? I forgot.
Yeah. So okay, we are basically just throwing.
If we are
this
not
error.
creating,
I guess we can remove this logical, because basically there is no, the only thing that is here is basically if we are not creating, it basically throws the error.
yeah, it's if we are editing,
Yeah, but it throws
it
the
will
error.
throw an error. But we are, yeah, it's exactly. Yeah, just delete that
So
rule entirely.
we can go.
We were to do something complex, but we decided to keep it simple, and that's it.
Yes.
Just
So
delete
we can
that,
go
and when we
and
go
maybe
around and polish everything,
we can remove this.
we'll get back into the
rules
rules for sure. Yeah, so that's cool.
And save it. So
Now you can save.
okay, let's go with this and let's see. Okay.
Yep. So if now you go
so-
to refresh the page on the second
So
tab,
we don't have.
most likely,
uh,
what happened?
Okay, let's see. Inspect. Console.
It's
let's
the first,
see if
it's
there is
the first.
something, or the first view. Okay, let me refresh just to see if I can get anything. So
Yep.
Okay, collection item show and render flexible content, and the content is empty.
Lords of the Ring. Hey. Lords
Lord
of
of the
the
Ring.
Ring.
Hey,
Oh,
yes,
Lord.
this is a slug.
And the other,
Okay,
is it Lord? Ah, it is.
yeah,
What?
Lord of the Rings. So the content is empty. So let's debug it. So we can go exactly on that model, I think.
Yeah, you
So
can use
not on the
Ray.
Nova.
You can, on the controller, you can use Ray and
Yeah.
dump that out.
Let's just go here on the model. I think.
Or,
Okay,
okay, sure.
not sure. My internet is going slow. So I'm trying to open the models and it does not open for me. But okay, cool. So collection item, and here for somehow it does not. It is not working right on this get. I don't see
I'm not
anything
sure
special.
if it's working or not.
Let's see if I can. We can.
You can die dump
We can
this
write.
in the...
We can write this, or I dump this.
Yeah,
Uh,
for example.
okay. I think there is one method to follow up the to return exactly the same, to do kind of the tap with Ray,
Oh,
but I don't know the. Can you open
so we...
Ray?
Yep. Give me the mouse,
Method
please.
map. Yep. Go ahead.
Okay, there we go.
You can go and help me debug that.
Yep.
Probably easier. Yeah,
So
it's
it's
empty.
really empty.
Okay, so that's right. So in there,
Let
okay,
me
we
do
can we
the...
can do
No,
nothing.
just what is the shortcut? Let me check. Command Shift K J. Okay.
So yeah, so we can go ahead and remove this, then check why it's not getting the content. So
Can you die dump this in line 22? You do enter and DD this. No, exactly this, dollar this.
exactly this. Okay.
So the
Uh, uh,
instance.
okay. So you want to see the attributes of the.
Yeah, I want to see the ID and check database if...
Mhm. Got it. So yeah,
so,
we can go on original or attributes exactly the same.
okay, so
Okay,
it's
content is empty.
collection item number
Exactly.
6. Oh, look, content is empty.
Yes. I was checking that.
So
So
it's not the library, it's just that it's not saved. Oh, wait, this is number 30. And we were number 6. So this is why.
oh, okay. So it's not the same.
Yeah,
So one is published and the other is not. Maybe
probably
that.
not. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Maybe if you
so
go now and look for ring or lord.
collection. Oh yes. So if we go from here and Lord, we have a lot of Lord probably.
There are two with the same name because it was done with a
For,
cedar.
mhm. For
Okay,
the
so you
same
can
collection,
delete
the
that
6.
number 6.
Okay.
Oh, there's
Not,
no permission to delete right now. Did I
okay.
dump this? Probably is blocking.
Okay. Yes, that's for sure. Yeah. Let me refresh my. Okay. Cool.
So maybe
Back.
let's even fix the database headers because that's the original problem. Because when we will be storing or editing a collection item, we will never be able to store two slugs published for the same collection, right? Two equal slugs. It will not be possible. It's just that I duplicated just to have more items, you know? So maybe leave it just with 2 or 3. Laravel up and running. So continue, refactoring the deep.
Okay.
So
Okay.
stop.
That's
Up.
that's okay. Okay.
And from here, delete. From
From here.
78 to down, yeah. I needed to get a lot of them because I wanted to debug something with a pagination, and I needed, I don't know how many items to check that.
And all was set to just the same collection. Okay.
Yeah,
So yeah,
just duplicate.
that should not be possible because it should should
Yeah,
return an error saying that slug it's already
yeah,
published or something.
yeah, but that will be when we are in Nova because just by database rules, we probably would
Yeah,
have to do a trigger
we have to
something
allow.
advanced.
Yeah, we have to allow it because we can have multiple users with the same using the same slug
Yeah,
for the
database
collection
wise, we
item.
have to allow, yeah. So maybe you can delete the dash A thing.
Yes.
Leave it just,
Oh, okay. It's the.
yeah,
How can I
maybe.
select all?
Oh, it's
Do you have a?
Control G. So
Yeah,
delete.
go ahead.
And now maybe space A
A
with a comma
with the comment.
and like this. Not a comma, apostrophe. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, I think it's done.
okay, cool. And then what do you want? Do you want to run? Okay, just we can run this just this either. So, okay, how can I open a new one? It's here. Okay,
Yeah,
so
so
let's go and
whoop, I was going
A
to for
is
you.
you have A, you have A. Oh, I say
It has to be like this, yeah.
Yeah, migrate. You want to migrate fresh or you want just to run this
With a seed,
this
yeah.
header? Okay. Okay, we can clean this up and fill it again.
Yeah.
So
Maybe you want to get the content from in another seeder. For example, line 25 is empty content,
yeah.
but
No problem.
we
We can fill it.
yeah, you can fill
Okay,
again and
let's
then
go.
store again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So collection items. We did remove the. Let's go with the dip and edit. And let's say
Yeah.
we can go ahead and add a new layout as YouTube
Somehow
this
somehow
video.
is commenting unrelated. Reminds me about a colleague that always add YouTube video and the hash of the video randomly in seeders to rickroll the devs. So we would go to the video and I don't know what that video is, but is it I'm never gonna let you down? Is it something like this? Should we be afraid to open that video?
I don't that I did not have the time to search the correct video,
Yeah,
but
you can.
yeah, this is just this one. Okay,
No,
so the dip.
you can go to /books, right? If you go to
Dip.
/books,
Yeah. Okay. So
okay,
let's
you
see.
got it.
Okay, I got it right.
You got it right.
Yeah.
But if
So,
you
yeah.
delete the dip, then you will
Yeah,
list all the books,
all
right?
the books, yes.
And now you have the dip. Correct.
Exactly. And the
Yeah,
styling.
looking
yeah,
nice.
We can go ahead and maybe just clean this up. Let me just check if it's this quick. If not, we can leave it for another session.
Yeah.
So
How do you feel now? We have all the views done.
yes, not
All the
looking
public facing application. I mean, not counting the blocks. Of course, we have to
Yeah.
put few blocks. But
Yeah, I guess
front-end
we
wise
can
is ready.
we can handle the video and YouTube video the component. We need to work on that because
Yeah.
it's not showing the video.
Yeah, we should
So
embed the
no
video
recrolls.
or
Yeah,
maybe no recrolls.
yeah.
Yeah, we will put
Today
all the
well,
videos going to never gonna let you down.
yeah. So we have all. We can maybe do just some kind of breadcrumb or something to go back, or some kind of
Oh,
of
the
navigation.
breadcrumbs, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's always lots of details. Yeah, when we think, oh, let's make this
Yeah.
app, it will take just
Yes,
live
yes, and
streaming.
you find a lot of things too
But
to do.
then, of course, all the
So okay,
details come
yeah,
up.
we have the admin page, and we need maybe to show the showcase. Do we have a showcase global page
No,
or not? No.
like all the
Okay.
showcases that we have. No, we don't.
Yes.
I
So
think that
in
will be a
here
responsibility of having.
of the
Okay, go
okay,
to
so
admin
yeah,
user. Maybe
yeah,
now I want to
so
put links to my showcases.
exactly, exactly. So yeah,
Can you give me mouse? Sorry.
exactly.
Can
I
you,
can.
can you allow me
Go
just
ahead.
to change the music
Go
because
ahead.
it's so loud? Oh, so much better. Thank you.
Yeah. I would say, okay, here on the welcome page, you can go ahead and add a new. In this case, maybe not a social media link, but will be a showcase link or showcase page
Yeah,
that we can,
collection link. Collect.
and then we can have the all the slugs or all the titles of the collections, and then we can add that to the page. I think that's probably cool snippets to add
Yeah.
here. Yes, that's it. I think. What do you think? We should we wrap the today stream here, or do you want to add something else?
No, it's all good. Perfect timing. 1 hour in, and we have
Hmm.
finished the front end part. At least, uh, not with all the polishments, but
Yes.
for a general proof of concept and maybe putting online with a few people, just
Hmm.
with a few people trying the application. And yeah, I think we're good. We're good for today. Maybe next one we can start thinking of these polishments and adding a few blocks.
Yeah, adding a new blocks like to add showcases.
Yeah,
Uh, here.
I'm laughing because Adrian commented, "Hey, just came to say bye." He came just in time when we are finishing. Hello, Adrian. Welcome back. Sorry, I
Nice.
interrupted.
No, I was telling, yeah, maybe we can add like some some layouts to have to add links to our collections.
Hmm.
That probably not that should be that should the platform should have a way to have their own links without needing the user to copy the full
Yeah.
link.
Maybe
Yeah,
we can
we
make
can add.
one more option
Hmm.
that it can be hidden, and I think it can be cool. So imagine one page that is called menu or navigation,
Mm.
and then in this navigation you put the links to the collections you want, and we can display these links in a nav bar, in a hamburger menu or something.
Hmm. That that
It's just an idea,
looks good to me. That looks good to me. Yeah. For
but I
example.
think, yeah, we can do it in 1,000 ways, and I think
Yeah.
every people will have its own idea. Yeah, that's why there are so many different websites, and
Hmm.
it's a kind of taste and personality, I think. So I think we just have to find a way and just put this out the door, launch it, and have it online, and it will evolve over time. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think that there is the potential for that. We can maybe just have some kind of a clean layout added to the platform, so to have just looking a bit better than what is now. On the Nova side, I don't think there is something to improve, but on the front end side, yes, we can do better. For example, in
Yeah,
this. I think we can maybe leave like the last stream about this just to style the do some tailwind.
yeah, for sure,
Yeah,
for sure.
to the project X.
Cool. So I think we have a next step list. We'll be wrapping up for today. Guys, if you have any question or anything you want to say or share, now is the time. I think we'll be finishing for now.
Yep.
Even so,
That's
I will
right.
change the song to something calmer.
Let's see what comments that we have.
If anyone has a calm playlist of music without musical rights, I need to find one urgently. Thank you also, Samuel, for watching. It's our pleasure to be here and having fun. It's always nice to have your support and participation. Thank you. Yeah, some
So
design polish, and we have to launch it. What? How many episodes are we in? So this is number 16.
16, okay, a full season.
Yeah, it's a full season. Oh, damn, that's rewarding to listen. But Dan is saying he feels privileged
Yeah,
to watch us working together. But yeah, so that's our pleasure. So all good.
yeah,
Thank you for coming and watching. And let's
yeah,
hope we can join together more times.
yeah, for sure. So, yep. Thank you guys for coming today, and maybe we see you probably next week. That's for sure.
Yeah. Oh,
Right,
next week
Patricio?
we will be right. Next week we will do a schedule change, 1 hour and a half earlier.
Yes.
But of course it will be tweeted and scheduled. Oh, Ayak is also a regular listener or watcher. Hello, Ayak, BKF. We are already finishing, so maybe you will watch the replay. Let us know what you think later.
Yes.
Thank you for watching, as always.
Yes.
So next week will be 1 hour and a half earlier. It will be on the tweet, in the YouTube schedule. So that's it. We want to
Thanks, guys.
thank you everyone watching live, watching at home. And it's a wrap up, right, Francisco?
Right. That's right.
Okay, so
Thanks.
in 3, 2, 1.
Thanks again,
Goodbye,
guys.
guys. Happy coding. Ciao, ciao. Bye.